Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. So, yeah, I cut up some of those little potato company potatoes. I'm just going to use them all. I haven't used them all yet. And then from the Aldi, there are these sausage patties that you see right there. This is going to go in the oven. It's going to cook, and then we'll be back. Because I forgot to mention this part with the potatoes. A little olive oil, right? Garlic powder and the smoked paprika. Mix that together and it'll look like that. So that's what it looks like. I came in here to check it. I have to clean the oven. An oops right there. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this out, check the other side of the sausage and potatoes, probably move them around a bit and put them back in for at least 5 minutes. So it's actually time to take that out of the oven. I gotta readjust the stand. I don't know what the heck is going on with that. But before I serve potatoes, I'm gonna put a little taco blend seasoning cheese on the potato. Anyway, take the up glove off. Now that meat's completely done. I know you can't see it where you're sitting, but anyway, I'll show you in a moment. Okay, the meat is completely done. I just want to put a little cheese. Yeah, I know the meat looks burnt. That's actually brown. All the cheese I'm putting on there is just that little handful. That's it. You don't need a lot. You do not need a lot. My endocrinologist is telling me non-dairy, non-dairy, non-dairy. Well, Tillamook cheese don't make no non-dairy. See, what is it? Something kitchen, like they make a non-dairy queso. Thanks to my friend Christine for telling me that. From FabFit Mama, we used to call her Life with Christine. If you type that in anyway, it'll come up as FabFit Mama. Anyway, so it's a couple of more minutes. Okay, so that was enough time. Now we're just gonna reach back in. For some reason, I like to turn on the oven light. That's just me. Oh yeah. That's ooh, that's good melt on there. And no, that's not burnt on that little ass potato either. Shut this off. I don't know when Rob is coming home. He had something to go do, but my son and I are going to go ahead and have some breakfast. Now, remember, breakfast can literally be eaten at any time of the day because it's literally breaking a fast. That is so true. It's breaking a fast. So, the other thing she told me is, iodine. Fucking hate salt. So Rob was telling me, and then I remember he was getting this one thing from this company called A C. Right? That's my son's plate. Get him some sausage. Ooh, that's nice. But he's like, let's get some Celtic salt. Maybe that'll work. And then don't use it on the food unless you want to. But literally, you can put like a couple of oh my gosh, the little salt crystals in some water, right? Like a big old jug of water. Ooh, you know what'd be good on this? Sriracha. We need sriracha. Hold on. We need Sriracha. Alright, we need sriracha on this. I'm just gonna put sriracha on it for now, because I think sriracha would go well with the potato. So that's my son's plate. I'm gonna plate mine and then we'll meet you in the living room. So I still have some coffee left. Death Wish is the best. So I'm gonna get myself comfy for a minute. I like to sit a certain way to support my back. So we have the plate. Now I don't have to ask my son how it is. Although, how is it?
Good.
Will I make the same thing for Rob when he's on his way home? Sure. That would be a good thing. Oh my gosh, the flavor. So, after I cut up the potato, some extra virgin olive oil, garlic powder, and the smoked paprika. Mix that around. Put that out on the sheet pan. Then on the other side of the sheet pan was our sausage. A little bit of that taco seasoning cheese on the top, just nice light sprinkle, which is good. And sriracha on those potatoes. So my son likes if he ever moved away, I know you'd miss this, wouldn't you? Anyway, remember, you can make a healthy meal. This is also gluten-free, by the way, and soy-free, just not dairy-free. Well, it's got a sprinkle of dairy. Use what you can, because the non-dairy, y'all, I'm gonna tell you straight out the door, that is expensive. Just like the gluten-free, it's expensive. But also depending on the product and the brand. So anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. You can eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Just a little extra here. This is the one I'm making for Rob. Same thing, just like everybody gets 2 sausage patties. Okay, now this is Rob's plate. He's going to give a review. So that you know, Rob also has some Death Wish coffee. I poured his coffee and made his food before he got home. So, yeah. What's your thought?
Really good.
Thank you. Anyway, now we're going to go. Now we're going to end the video. Bye. We just needed his review, that's all.